Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of February 2024 for all the Pisces Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of February 2024 for all the Pisces Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Pisces Ascendant people, Sun controls your sixth house, and right now Sun is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Capricorn. Sun will stay in your 11th house till 14 February 2024. After 14 February, Sun will move from your 11th house to 12th house in the sign of Aquarius, where your 12th house Lord Saturn is already moving in your 12th house in its strong position. Sixth house will be your court case, your competitions, your arguments, your fights is also seen from sixth house. Your hidden enemies is seen from sixth house. Your strength to withstand all of these things is seen from sixth house. Your health, journal health is seen from sixth house, especially your acute diseases seen from sixth house. Your loans, your debt, and your daily routine in context of your work is also seen from sixth house. So right now, sixth house Lord is moving in your 11th house till 14 February. 11th house will be your friend circle, your professional circle is seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes seen from 11th house. Your elder brothers, sisters seen from 11th house. Your PR, your sources and gains of all of these things like your money, your fame, your respect, and position in life is also seen from 11th house. So right now your sixth house Lord is moving in your 11th house, so we can expect great result regarding your competition, litigation, arguments, and general health related matter. Because right now your sixth house Lord is moving in your 11th house. 11th house considered the house of gain. So till 14 February we can expect great result regarding all of these matter which we have just discussed, because your sixth house Lord is moving in your 11th house, and right now your 11th house is in a strong position because Mars is present in exalted position in your 11th house, and Mars will stay in your 11th house till the whole month of February. So till 14 February, till Sun is moving in your 11th house, we can expect great result regarding your 6th house related matter. Your hidden enemies will be suppressed in the month of February, and if you are running for any court case competition, then things will turn into your favor in the month of February. After 14 February, your sixth house Lord will be moving in your 12th house. So when after 14 February, your sixth house Lord will be moving in your 12th house, and 12th house right now in a strong position. And from 12th house, Sun will also expect its own house, your sixth house. So after 14 February, we can expect you will get great result regarding your loans related matter. If you are in debt right now, you will able to pay your loans back. Also, Sun and Saturn will both the planets will aspect on your hidden enemies house. So your hidden enemies will be banished or suppressed in the month of February due to aspects of Saturn and Sun, both the planets on your sixth house. Also, if you want to travel somewhere in the month of February, then we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter after 14 February, because your 12th house, your foreign settlement Lord is in a strong position due to presence of Saturn in its own house. And after 14 February, Sun will also move to your 12th house, and Sun will illuminate the significance of your 12th house. 12th house will be your foreign settlement, your expenses, your losses, your isolations, your donations, ability to do donation is also seen from 12th house. Your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house, etc., etc. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of February for all Pisces ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Pisces ascendant people, Mercury controls your fourth house and your seventh house, and right now Mercury is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Capricorn. Fourth house will be your mother. Your relationship with your mother is seen from fourth house. Your properties, your vehicles, how much conveniences do you have in your life is seen from fourth house. Your uh, and your homeland and peoples of your homeland is also seen from fourth house. Seventh house will be your marriage, your relationships in general is seen from seventh house. Your business partnership is seen from seventh house. Your spouse, how you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others seen from seventh house. Your Fame along with 10th house is also seen from 7th house. So right now your 4th house and 7th house Lord is moving in your 11th house, and Mercury just moved from your 10th house to 11th house after 2nd February 2024, and Mercury will stay in your 11th house till 20th February. After 20th February, Mercury will move from your 11th house to 12th house in the sign of Aquarius. So till 20th February, your 4th house and 7th house Lord is moving in your 11th house. So we can expect great result regarding your properties, vehicles, and your comfort related matter in the month of February. If mother is a working woman, then we can expect your mother will get a great gains in the month of February, especially till 20th February due to presence of your fourth house lord in the house of gains in your 11th house. Also, Mars will support your fourth house lord because Mars is in an exalted position right now in your 11th house. Also, your seventh house lord is moving in your 11th house till 20th February. But we should not forget Ketu is moving in your seventh house after 30th October 2023. So till 20th February, Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your 11th house. So you may face some difficulty, some argument with your spouse if you are married right now, or you may face some argument, some difference of point of view with your business partnership if you have any business running due to presence of Ketu in your seventh house. But in the month of February till 20th February, especially Mercury is moving in your 11th house, then we can expect great gains of your relationships, your marriage related matter, and your business related matter in the month of February. So we can expect these results from Mercury till 20th February for all the Pisces ascendant people. After 20th February, when Mercury will move from your 11th house to 12th house, then your 4th house Lord and 7th house Lord will be moving in your 12th house, and Saturn and Mercury considered as friends in astrology. That's why we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter and your foreign settlement related matter if you want to travel or previously try to settle in some foreign land, because your fourth house lord will be moving in its friend's house, and right now your Saturn, your foreign settlement house is right now in a strong position due to presence of Saturn in its own house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter if you want to travel somewhere. Also, we can expect you will purchase something regarding your conveniences, regarding your properties and vehicles related matter due to presence of fourth house lord in your expenses, due to presence of your fourth house lord after 20th February in the house of expenses and losses. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Pisces ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Pisces ascendant people, Venus controls your third house and your eighth house, and right now Venus is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Venus will stay in your 10th house till 11th February 2024. After 11th February, Venus will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Capricorn. Third house will be your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends seen from third house, your younger brother and sister seen from third house, your communication ability seen from third house, all type of communication like talking like verbal talking, texting, emailing, broadcasting, all type of communication is seen from third house. Your efforts, how much efforts you can put in anything is seen from third house. Your ability to do hard work is seen from third house. Your hands and your hand skills is also seen from third house. Eighth house will be your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs seen from eighth house, your secret activities, your sexual organs, sexual relationship also seen from eighth house, your in-laws related matter, and your unexpected gains is also seen from eighth house. So in the month of February till 11th February, your third house and eighth house Lord is moving in your 10th house, and right now your 10th house is in a strong position because Jupiter is also present in the second house, and from second house Jupiter is also expecting its own house, your 10th house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your work related matter. You will put a lot of effort and you will do a lot of hard work in your work, and you will also suddenly get a gains of that hard suddenly you will also get the gains of that hard work in regarding your work related matter due to presence of your 8th house and your 10th house till 11th February. After 11th February, when Venus will move from your 10th house to 11th house, then we can expect great gains of money regarding your work related matter, regarding your efforts related matter, and your elder brother and sisters related matter, because all your sudden event, sudden positive event lord and sudden negative event lord will be moving in your 11th house. And 11th house right now in a strong position. So after 11th February, when Venus, your 8th house lord, will be moving in your 11th house, we can expect great gains of money for you people and your elder brothers and sisters in the month of February. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Pisces and people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Pisces and people, Moon controls your fifth house, and right now Moon is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of February, and on the basis of 6th February we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon gets influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So whenever moon is moving near any of these planets in transit during these days, we can also expect we have some issues, problem, and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem, and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planets. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Pisces and people, Mars controls your second house and your ninth house. And right now Mars is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Capricorn. Means right now Mars is present in its exalted position. Mars gives very good result in Capricorn sign, because Mars considered as exalted in Capricorn sign. Second house deal with your family history is seen from second house, your early upbringing is seen from second house, your savings, your money matters, your family environment is seen from second house, your speech, your food intake habit, and your mouth region is also seen from second house. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father is seen from ninth house, your DNA, your higher education, your philosophical knowledge is seen from ninth house, your postgrad education, your pilgrimage, your travel related to religious purpose or any purpose travel, long distance travel is seen from ninth house, or your mentors, your lawyer is also seen from ninth house, your second marriage is also seen from ninth house. So right now, second house and ninth house Lord is moving in your 11th house, in the house of gains, in the house of incoming gains, in the house of fulfillment of hope and wishes. That's why we can expect great result regarding your savings and money related matter, and your bank account will be flourished in the month of February due to presence of Jupiter in your second house and Mars taking Jupiter's energy in your 11th house in the house of gain in the month of February. Mars controls your ninth house, and ninth house will be your luck. Your fortune is in from ninth house, and ninth house Lord is moving in your 11th house. Mars also controls your ninth house, and ninth house will be your fortune, your luck, and luck Lord is also moving in the house of gain right now in its exalted position. That's why we can expect great result for all the Pisces and people in the month of February from all the planets. So we can expect these results for all the Pisces and people from all the planets in the month of February. We will have four major astrological events in the month of February. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 11th house, and Sun will stay in your 11th house till 14 February 2024. After 14 February, Sun will move from your 11th house to your 12th house in the sign of Aquarius. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 11th house, and Mercury just moved after 2nd February from your 10th house to your 11th house, and Mercury will stay in your 11th house till 20th February. After 20th February, Mercury will move from your 11th house to your 12th house in the sign of Aquarius. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 11th house, and Mars is just moved from your 10th house to your 11th house after 6th February 2024 in the sign of Capricorn. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now present in your 10th house, and Venus will stay in your 10th house till 11th February. After 11th February, Venus will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Capricorn. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of February 2024 for all the Pisces Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.